Good afternoon. This is Yetim coming from Turkey, Hitit University. In my work, I tried to measure the reaction times of the Air Force Academy cadets, and for this reason I have developed a new reaction timer. For an Air Force pilot, reaction time is vitally important because there is a fight occurring in the sky, and the time spent over there is vitally important. If you see the enemy, I don't want to say this, but if you see the enemy and react it as fast as you can, you are more able to live, and as is your country. So, reaction time is vitally important. So, the objective of this study is to develop an easy-to-use, computer-controlled and user-friendly multiple reaction time measurement device, and measure and compare the reaction times of the Air Force Academy cadets. And we hypothesized that the reaction times of the Air Force Academy cadets can differ by the training years, their sources, and physical activity levels. This measurement device was designed, and the software program was written by me, and I have measured the reaction times as you see the green button over up there. The subjects pressed on the green button, and in the simple reaction time, one of the buttons over there, four red ones, and the green, red, and yellow, blue ones, one of them will lit, and the subject knew it for the simple reaction time. Let's say the red one will lit, so the cadet released his finger from the green button as fast as he saw the red light is lit. So the time elapsed between the signal given and the finger released is the reaction time. And choice reaction time, discriminative reaction time, and auditory reaction times were also measured. And as the results shown up there, if we look at the source high school, because the Air Force Academy cadets are coming from the military high school or the regular high schools, there were no differences. As we look at the activity levels, there were no differences. But if we look at the class levels, the first class students and fourth class students showed a significant difference just between the first class and the fourth class. No other differences were observed. And the device's discriminative power test was done by the t-test, right? And Spearman-Brown test was shown that the device was reliable. So it was concluded that the measurement device was both reliable and discriminative, and the significant differences shown in the reaction times of the Air Force Academy cadets was thought to be caused by their motivation levels, because the first class students was more precisely doing things. Thank you.
Okay. Any questions? I was wondering, because if you are in the air, then there's a lot of stress on those people. You don't have these stress levels during your reaction time.
Yeah.
Is it comparable if you can react on your device, nicely developed, and if you are really under stress, and to do the same reaction? Can you compare it?
Of course, if you measure it, you can compare it, but I haven't measured it. Some of the studies show that stress positively decrease the reaction time. But some some studies say that over some level of stress, reaction times get longer. So flight performance level of the pilot is significantly acts on the reaction time. So it's a good question. We can
you
measure it.
Can you think of bringing these cadets under stress and then do the same task again? How would you do that?
I think they are always under stress. When they see me, they are under stress. So the stress was good in the first class students, but not as good as in the fourth class students.
Okay, thank you.